By 2030, they say you will own nothing and be happy. But as we stand here in 2026, the owning nothing part is moving much faster than the being happy part. You've heard the whispers of the Great Reset, a complete overhaul of the global financial system, your privacy, and your very way of life. But what if this reset isn't meant for your benefit? What if it is a cage designed to turn your wealth into a subscription service controlled by the elite? Welcome to Yieldverse. Today, we aren't just looking at the headlines. We are looking at the blueprint. We are going to deconstruct exactly how the system is being dismantled and, more importantly, I'm going to give you the coordinates for the Great Escape. If you want to remain a sovereign individual in a centralized world, this is the most important video you will watch this year. To escape the trap, you first have to see the walls. The Great Reset is built on three main pillars: programmable money, the death of ownership, and social credit. Let's start with the money. Central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, are the ultimate weapon. Unlike the cash you hold today, a CBDC is just code. It can be programmed with an expiry date spent by Friday, or it disappears. It can be restricted. You can't buy meat because you've reached your carbon limit. It is not money. It is a digital coupon for your behavior. Then comes the death of ownership. From your card to your home, the push is toward a sharing economy. But in reality, it's a rental economy. When you don't own anything, you have no leverage. You become a tenant in your own life, subject to the terms and conditions of those who own the platforms. This is the definition of fragility. While your money is being programmed, your value as a worker is being audited by AI. We are witnessing a massive displacement of the middle class. But here's the twist. The system doesn't want to replace you. It wants to devalue you. As AI takes over white-collar tasks, wages for human labor are stagnating. The goal is to make the masses dependent on a universal basic income, or UBI, host. But UBI is the ultimate leash. If your survival depends on a government paycheck delivered via programmable CBDC, you are no longer a citizen. You are a subject. You cannot protest, you cannot dissent, and you cannot opt out without losing your lifeline. This is the silent tax on your freedom. Now, let's talk about the solution. The Great Escape is not about hiding in a cave. It's about building a parallel life. The system is centralized, so your escape must be decentralized. There are three layers to this strategy. Host. First, financial sovereignty. You must move your energy out of reset currencies. This means holding hard assets. Physical gold for long-term stability, and Bitcoin as your digital exit ramp. Bitcoin is the only asset that allows you to carry your wealth across borders in your head, outside the reach of any central bank. It is the antithesis of the CBDC. Host. Second, jurisdictional arbitrage. In 2026, being loyal to one single government is a high-risk strategy. You need to diversify your physical presence. Whether it's a second residency in a neutral zone like Uruguay or the UAE, or simply setting up a remote base, you must have a Plan B location that respects your sovereignty. The final layer is digital privacy. Stop feeding the machine your data. Use encrypted tools, move away from big tech platforms, and learn to manage your own keys. Your data is the fuel for their surveillance. If they can't track you, they can't control you. Host. Most importantly, you must change your mindset. Stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like an owner. Use the very AI tools they are using to control the masses to build your own leverage. Become a sovereign professional, someone whose skills are global, whose assets are private, and whose mind is free. The Great Reset is betting on your fear and your laziness. They think you will trade your freedom for convenience, but they haven't accounted for the people watching this. You have the tools, the technology, and the roadmap. The exit door is wide open, but it won't stay that way forever. Are you choosing the reset, or are you choosing the escape? The future belongs to the sovereign. If you're ready to take the first step, hit the subscribe button and join the Yieldverse community. Check the description for our full blueprint on asset protection. I'm your host, and this is your journey to freedom. Stay sovereign. I'll see you in the next one.